Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can send a GIF through Gmail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail application. After opening the Gmail application, simply click on this Compose button at the bottom. From there, you can get this attachment option beside the Send button. Simply click on Attachment. From there, you have two options to choose the file. Firstly, you can choose to attach the file from the phone, and the other one is to insert from Drive. You just have to simply choose the option where you have the GIF file. I'm choosing Attach File here. After going to the folder, simply select the file and then your GIF file will be successfully selected. You can write who you want to send this email to into this box here. After choosing the email address, you can write the subject and also write a small body to describe your GIF file. Click on the Send button at the top. After doing this, your GIF file will be successfully sent into your Gmail. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.